Hi friends, this is a plant lover Neil and you are watching Plants by Love. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily propagate your lemongrass plant so that you can multiply it in several times. That too very quickly. Without wasting much time, let's get started. So once you harvest the lemongrass plant, you are left with these cut shoots. You can see this one over this one. So you can convert these small shoots into a new plant. To do that, use your finger and try to dig it as much as possible. It has to be closer to the soil line. And using your fingers, you simply have to push it like this, the way downwards, like this. You can see, and continue pushing it. And then try to like this in opposite direction till you hear it snap out like that. You can see, this is one individual plant and we'll propagate this. I'll show you how you can get roots out of it. You can see at present there are no roots, but similarly we can do it the same thing over here. Simply apply a little bit of pressure and push it downwards like this, and then move it sideways like this and like this until this gets like this. You can see, this is again one more plant. So once you get these separated, so basically we have to expose the white part. You can see, remove this old leaves and you can see over here, this white part should be exposed. From here, new roots will come. You see, this already has some roots. So you have to simply remove these old leaves. Over here also same thing, remove this old leaf. And even you can remove this green leaf too. You have to expose this white part. Over here, you should see this white portion, because from there only the roots will come. Similarly over here, the brown leaf you can simply remove, and even this green leaf. And you can remove this one too, like this. And see, now over here it's now white in color. So now to get roots in this, you simply have to place it in water. So for propagating it through cutting, I have taken this container, plastic container, around 2-inch deep, and it approximately 15 centimeter in length and 10 centimeter in width. So I've taken a broad container, and the reason for that is because we'll be propagating using water propagation, and the larger the surface area, the more will be the dissolved oxygen content of the water. So take a container which is wide. It need not be very deep, but it has to be wide container. So we'll make holes over here, at least 5 holes, and we'll place PET bottles that has been cut from the bottom, and we'll place it upside down. That will support our cuttings. So this is the entire setup. You can see, basically this is the same container, and I've created 5 holes in this. I've used a soldering iron to make these holes, and these are PET bottles which I've repurposed them to support the cuttings. You can see, apart from the cutting that I had taken from the lemongrass plant, it has also got some mint cuttings, some morning glory cuttings. So I'll show you the result of the lemongrass cutting. This is after 7 days. You can see how wonderful roots have come, and see these lovely root system. From where the white portion was there, from where you will get these wonderful roots. Once you get around 2 to 3 inch long roots like this, it is good enough for transplanting it back into soil. So I'll be transplanting this plant in soil. You can see similarly over here, see how the wonderful root systems, white, big roots, and even from the top it has grown. You can see all this is new growth. And I have not added anything in this water. This is simply plain water. There is no hydroponic solution or anything like that. Simple plain water, and with just that you'll get such excellent growth. You have to place the lemongrass cutting in such a manner so that only the tip portion of it is dipping in water. So to do that, I have tied a thread. You can see over there at the bottom of the cutting. I've tied a nylon thread. It's basically a plastic thread, and that supports this cutting in this container so that it doesn't go inside the water too much. So I have placed it so that only the tip portion of it is touching the water. You can see over here. Apart from that, you have to place it in an area which does not receive direct sunlight, and the temperature should not be very high in the room which you place it, but it requires indirect light. Do not place it in a dark room. If the water gets very dirty, then only you need to change the water. Otherwise, you just have to replenish the water. Once the water level goes down, you simply have to add more water from the top till it touches the cutting. So if you follow these instructions, you will also get this fantastic result that I have got, as you can see in the lovely roots. For the transplantation, I'm taking this 6-inch wide container, 6-inch wide pot and 6-inch deep. And for the soil mix, I've taken a homemade potting mix. Basically, it is a mixture of coco peat, normal garden soil, and leaf compost or vegetable compost. So all these three I've taken in equal parts and mixed them together. So it creates a very porous mixture which is excellent for potting plants in containers. This is the soil mix, and now we'll simply place the cuttings which are ready to be transplanted. We'll go with this one first. I think it would be easier for me to pull it from the bottom. So the first cutting. Very gently place it. Make sure to water it thoroughly. It should be completely moist. Water it till the water starts dripping from the bottom. So similarly, we'll do for the rest of them. Once you have transplanted them, you have to place it in direct sunlight. Do not place it in direct sunlight, otherwise it will get burnt. For at least 2 weeks, you have to place it in a semi-shaded area. And after that, you can place it back in full sun. And then it should start growing very rapidly. That is how you can propagate your lemongrass plant quickly using water propagation. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Plants My Love. Thanks for watching, friends. This is Neil signing off. Bye-bye.